Algebra, the language of algebra 2, algebraic expressions. Let's do some examples. Question 1, part 1. For more than x means x plus 4. Part 2, 5 less than y. So we have y, then minus 5. 8 multiplied by x. So 8 times x, we just write 8x. 20 divided by y. This can also be written as 20 over y. The number at 11, so we have a number n, then we add 11 to it. A number multiplied by 3, so n times 3, which we write as 3n. Four numbers added together, so we have four numbers, m plus n plus p plus q. M multiplied by itself, so we can rewrite that as m squared. The sum of x, y, z, simply add, so x plus y plus z. Product of x, y, z means multiply these three numbers, but we don't need to put these symbols, so we just basically write x, y, and z. The product of two square numbers, so m squared times n squared, or we can just write m squared times n squared. This can also be written as m n all squared. Let's do number 2. Karen is 24 years old. How old will she be in 7 years? So answer going to be 24 plus 7, so that's 31. And 13 years be 24 plus 13, so that's 37. And y year time, that will be 24 plus y. Number 3, so Ali has n marbles. So we start with Ali. So he's got n marbles. Steve, twice as many, that means 2 times n. Helen, 5 fewer than Ali, so n minus 5. Norma, 3 more than Steve, so it's 2n plus 3. Number 4, 5 times 4n is equal to 20n, and we can have also 4 times 5n, this is equal to 20n, or we can have 10 times 2n, this is equal to 20n, or we can have 2 times 10n, this is equal to 20n. Okay, there are many different ways. We can even have 5n plus 15n, this is equal to 20n. Let's do number 5. So let's my age is m, so my brother's age so be 6 less than n. So if we add both together, so we have m plus n minus 6, and just add up to 56. So this gives us equation 2m minus 6 equal to 56. If we add 6 on both sides, we get 2m equal to 62. Then if we divide by 2, we get n equal to 31. So my age is 31. Number 6. 3 numbers have a total of 35. 2 numbers are equal, the third one is half. So if we have 2 numbers, one like this, the other one is the same size, but the third one is half the size, and we can split these into 2. So it's equal to 35. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts equal to 35, and 1 part divided by 5 is 7. So here we got 2 parts, so therefore the numbers are 7 plus 7, 14, 7 plus 7, 14, and just 7. Number 7, if you buy 10, the cost is going to be 10 and pence. Number 8, so 8 pens and 5 pencils. So 8 times m plus 5 times n, thus many pence. Now the rectangle, so the length is x and the width is y, and this is also y, and this length is also x. So the total perimeter is x plus x, which is 2x, then y plus y is 2y. Or you can write 2 times x plus y. Number 10, now we have a square. All sides are x, so therefore the perimeter equal to x plus x plus x plus x, which is 4x. Now do this exercise yourself. When you've done it, then check the answers. Here's question 1, question 2. Now we have the answers. Two numbers are p and q, so the product is just p, q. The sum, we add these two numbers, p plus q. 3, second number multiplied by 3, so q times 3, which is 3q. First number multiplied by itself, so p times p, which is p squared. So one will cost c pounds, n of them will cost n times c pounds. So normally jacket cost m pounds, reduced by 10 pounds, so this is m minus 10. So the rectangle has length is x, width is y, area is length times width, so area x times y, which is xy. Because we have the centimeters, so for area we have to write next to it centimeters squared. X times x, so area equal to x squared and centimeters squared.